Thank you, Madam Deputy President. On the 18th of April, the brand new Gosford Hospital held a staff open day in advance of the new tower opening to patients so that doctors, nurses and support staff could view the fabulous new facilities that they will soon be working in. A community open day was also held on the 21st of April to allow Central Coast residents to view the new building. The redeveloped hospital is an amazing facility that features the latest in technology for patient, staff and visitor comfort. The hospital redevelopment is significant as it will better serve the existing Central Coast population as well as positioning it for future population growth. The same high-quality standard that has been delivered at Gosford Hospital is what the Maitland and Wyong communities can expect when their new hospital developments that are already underway will be delivered. All in, almost $1 billion is being invested by the New South Wales Government on these three hospitals. $348 million in Gosford, $200 million at Wyong and $400 million at Maitland for the hospital there. I had the pleasure of inspecting the new Gosford Hospital at the recent open day, and I can confirm that it is a superior facility to the one it replaces. The community was shown the new, larger intensive care unit. One of the innovations in the intensive care unit is the smart glass to be used in patient rooms. Smart glass, or switchable glass, is a type of glass that allows to switch from clear to opaque and vice versa at the click of a button.
Amazing.
Smart glass in the intensive care unit is an important improvement on curtains as a form of risk reduction against infection spread. The glass also provides an effective form of privacy for the patients. Gosford Hospital is only the second hospital in New South Wales to feature this after St George Hospital. The intensive care unit also features a large balcony that is fully fitted out to allow intensive care patients to go outside and enjoy fresh air. The hospital staff predict that access to the outdoors is going to provide a huge benefit to patient recovery and well-being. Additionally, many of the intensive care beds feature new ceiling-mounted patient lifts. The lifts help maintain the dignity of patients as well as significantly enhancing the OH&S safety for medical staff. The lifts will reduce manual labour required to help patients in and out of bed or to go to the bathroom. The community also got to inspect the new emergency rooms, which are much larger and feature a number of design enhancements, including patient bays for children and improved family waiting rooms. Sometimes the most simplest design elements end up being one of the most important in terms of patient care. Currently, when patients are brought to the emergency rooms via the ambulance, treatment time is critical, and something as time-consuming as weighing the patient is often moved to the bottom of immediate priorities. However, the weight of a patient is very important in dosing the correct medication. What is often relied upon was a paramedic or a nurse or a doctor's guessing based on their own experience. But in the new hospitals, we'll have weigh scales installed in the floors. These are just a few improvements coming to Gosford Hospital that will come to Wyong and Maitland, I'm sure. Those opposite like to fight for things, Madam Deputy President. They say vote for us and we'll fight for a new hospital. But in reality, the communities of Gosford, Wyong and Maitland don't need a Labor member fighting for something. Sometimes it just takes a Liberal National Government to come in, build it, and in the process, make up for 16 years of inaction from Labor. An example of this was in the recent federal budget. The Labor candidate for Robertson posted a photo of herself on Facebook outside Gosford Hospital, asking the Prime Minister to get his, quote, priorities right. Well, I am happy to report that both federal and state governments have their priorities right when it comes to health, because Gosford Hospital has been the beneficiary of a huge investment by both governments. On top of the $348 million to redevelop Gosford Hospital, the Commonwealth Liberal Government is investing $32.5 million for the Central Coast Medical School being built on that site. The Central Coast is very excited about the new hospital at Gosford. The Central Coast and the Hunter can look forward to the new Wyong and Maitland hospitals when they are open and expect their facilities to be just as impressive, if not more.
Fantastic.